What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I think I got another gem for us. I got another way for us to earn some more passive income through cryptocurrency with another incredible program. I got a lot of amazing friends that are using this platform, and they're getting some wonderful results. So I said I'll bring it to my community, and let's see if it's something that we can actually make a lot of money with as well. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's jump right into this one. You may have heard about it before, or this may be your first time actually taking a look at this, but I want to introduce to some and present to others this incredible company so far that I've recognized. It's called EazyBot, right? And I want to tell you guys that I had some people brought this to me a long time ago, and I looked at it and I said, well, look, let's give it some time because it hadn't been around for very long. And you guys know I'm not the first to jump into things. I like to wait until they get some results. And once they have some results, and I say, hey, look, we can come in and we can really make some good money with this platform. Now, I want to tell you there's some highlights of this platform that I would really like to go over that I think you guys are going to be interested in. First of all, they have a slogan that says, "Is crypto made easy?" And crypto made easy is what I'm all about. You know, I'm about some easy money, not hard money, right? So I want to tell you guys that that's exciting for me right up front, right? Now, the next thing that I want to tell you that I got excited about is that it has a real owner that's out front, that is not hiding. They're actually doing meetings in Dubai because the company is headquartered in Dubai. But what the company has proven to do is to give you consistent, profitable returns, right? Here's another phenomenal thing is that your crypto stays in your exchange, which means that you don't have to send it to the platform. It stays in your exchange, so you don't have to worry about a rug pull. I know somebody's clapping their hands saying, amen, hallelujah, thank you, right? I understand. Right? I want to tell you, your crypto stays in your exchange. You get to trade crypto confidently. So you don't have to trade on your own. There's some artificial intelligence that they built into this that uses different algorithms that make sure that you have some successful trades. Now, I love this because it's passive income. You can withdraw your profits at any time from your exchange. You can withdraw your capital, your initial capital, or your profits whenever you want to because you are in control of what's in your exchange. And there's absolutely no experience necessary. This is crypto trading for non-techie people. So no matter whether you're a beginner in this or if you are a seasoned trader, this is something that I believe that you should take a look at, right? Because I believe it can make a difference for you. So now let's look at this website right here. I actually like the website. It's actually very, aesthetically appealing, if you will, right? But we know that does not mean that it's going to be a good platform. So let's go over some more things here. What I like about it is that it comes across just like any other SaaS, software as a service platform here, which is nice. Some highlights that they put on the website is that you can earn crypto 24/7, earn passive income 24/7, withdraw profits anytime, never a losing trade. How about that, guys? EazyBot is intelligently programmed to keep you safe. Use the default settings and never make a losing trade. I like that. They also have an easy one-click strategy setup. Start closing profitable trades today with EazyBot's proven one-click strategy. When they said one click, I said, man, this is good because I'm all about simplicity for my people, right? I don't like programs that are overly complicated for you to get started with, and that's really exciting for me. Okay, now crypto trading is hard and complicated is what a lot of people say, but this is actually something that's going to change that because most people are tired of learning all about different strategies, currency pairs, and all of this stuff like that. EazyBot comes with preset trading strategies that have been tested by professional traders. So you have that. You're afraid of losing all of your money? The preset trading strategies have been proven to generate consistent results, whether the market is up or going down. In this most recent market crash, this company has been proven to get results. This technology or software has been proven to get results even in those times, right? If you don't have time to start trading, then guess what? This thing is going to do it for you 24/7. You have to waste your time trying to figure out how to do it and when to do it. So that is absolutely phenomenal. Okay. Now, another thing is, like I said, for non-techie people, if you don't know how to, do a lot of this stuff, this is going to be very, very easy for you. So let's go in. Let's start to look at the About Us page on this website here to look at About Us. And there's some things that were phenomenal. It's not on this page, but I saw that the owner is Muhammad Ali, right? Not the boxer. Right. So I want to tell you, but that's his name, Muhammad Ali. I said that was really interesting and it stood out to me. Right. But he's been on some calls. I've seen his interaction on some calls, which has been phenomenal. To be able to see that an owner is out there in front and really trying to make things happen. Okay. Now, I want to tell you that this, let me see, what it was something else that stood out to me here that I wanted to. Oh yeah, the Dubai address is right here. And if you want to, you can get in contact with the corporate office, and from what I understand, leaders can actually try to get a meeting out there. I don't know how quickly that will happen, but leaders can get a meeting in Dubai. If you want to fly to Dubai, check it out for yourself. That is something that you definitely can do. Right. Let's look at the pricing now. Let's go to the next page here. I just want this to be a quick overview, so I'm not going in depth on a lot of things on this, but I want to present this to you all. There's a package for you to start for free. Yes, there's a free package. Everyone has the ability to start for free. I like that when it comes to platforms that they give you a way to check it out, see if it's what you really want to do, or if it's something that's not for you. You get to check it out for yourself. Then they have the advanced. A lot of people like this. This is $250 for the year. And you get access to the software. You get access to all the marketing tools. Your service fee is only 20% of the profits that are being paid to you. So that is good on this. So, I like this. It's 30% if you want the free package, right? So that's the way that this is paid for, because the service fees is a percent of the profits that you make. Then the VIP. The VIP is $9.95 upfront for the year. You get all the trading pairs with this one. So I want you to contrast the differences. That means that on the free, you get 2 trading pairs. Advanced, you're going to get 10 trading pairs. VIP, you get all the trading pairs. You get the number of exchanges. On the free, you're going to be able to use 1 exchange. Advanced, you'll be able to use 2 exchanges. And there's 5 exchanges available on the VIP. The service charge is still 20%. You get a dedicated agent, daily support Zoom calls, and access to the marketing tools here with the VIP. Now, I will let you guys, full disclosure, I'm going with the VIP. I see the value in that. You get the opportunity to be a founder. It's a limited opportunity to be a founder of the company. So I'm going to take advantage of that, do the $9.95, be able to take full advantage of the system. I'm not saying that's where everybody needs to start, but if you have the wherewithal to start there, I believe it's a great place to start. If you are looking to become a founder, I'm putting together with some of my leaders, a platform in which we're going to create founder after founder after founder. We're going to really take advantage of this system. We're going to create an elite team that's going to be phenomenal and take really full advantage of this opportunity. So if you are going to do that, just reach out to me. I'll put the ways that you can reach out to me in the description here, which I believe that you're really going to like that. Okay. Now, this is, you can start trading today. It's very, very simple. I love the way the website is set up. I'm going to go do a more in-depth review. This is my initial impressions of the website. I'm going to go ahead and do a video that shows you how to enroll. And I will put that out there as well so that you guys can go ahead and get enrolled if you want to. This is a USDT platform. So I like that as well. They pay out in USDT, which is another great thing also. So guys, I'm excited about this. I'm going to come back with another video that's going to show you how to enroll and everything. So stay tuned for that. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You're going to want to miss all of this goodness, right? As always, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We're only going to invest what we are willing to lose. But we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.